When people think of plastic packaging, they usually imagine something disposable, clear bottles, clamshells, or wrappers that get tossed in the trash without a second thought. But what if I told you that plastic packaging is one of the most powerful, customizable tools a brand can use to stand out, protect its product, and build a lasting impression? At Paking, we work with plastic every day, and let me tell you, there's an entire world behind that shampoo bottle or snack pouch you casually toss in your cart. From precise molds that shape bottles into ergonomic signature silhouettes, to shrink sleeves that wrap products in vibrant, full-color designs, plastic packaging is anything but basic. Ever noticed how some brands just feel more premium? Maybe it's a smooth pump top, a frosted finish, or a perfectly sealed cap that clicks with precision. That's intentional. It's customization, and it speaks volumes about how much a brand cares about its product and its customer experience. In this video, we're going to peel back the layers, literally, and show you how plastic packaging is made, molded, decorated, and delivered. We'll explore the production processes, materials, and customization options that bring your vision to life. Because at the end of the day, plastic isn't just plastic, it's a canvas for your brand, and we're here to help you master it. Let's dive in. Plastic might get a bad rap sometimes, but the truth is, when it comes to function, form, and flexibility, plastic packaging is still one of the most powerful tools in the game. From protecting your product to shaping how customers feel about your brand, and with newer production methods and eco-conscious perspectives, plastic plays a bigger role than most people realize. First off, let's talk versatility. Plastic packaging can be molded into just about any shape you can imagine, from sleek cosmetic bottles to tamper-proof pill containers to clear snack trays. If you can think it, it can probably be made out of plastic. This makes it perfect for everything from beauty and skincare to food, supplements, and beyond. There are also tons of different plastic materials out there, and each one serves a different purpose. PET, polyethylene terephthalate, lightweight and clear, great for drinks and beauty products. HDPE, high-density polyethylene, strong and opaque, used for things like detergents and milk jugs. LDPE, PP, and PVC, used in flexible wraps, squeeze tubes, blister packs, and more. And plastic isn't stuck in the past. With growing concerns around sustainability, the industry is shifting fast with plastics like rPET. Recycled plastic, biodegradable options, and refillable designs are all becoming more common. Brands are now blending performance and eco-consciousness in ways that weren't possible just a few years ago. But here's the part most people overlook. Plastic packaging is a huge part of your brand story. The shape, the feel, the clarity, the cap, every detail impacts how a customer sees your product. And when it's done right, plastic doesn't just protect what's inside, it becomes a reason why someone chooses you over your competitors. So yeah, plastic isn't just plastic. It's a tool, it's a design choice. And for brands that get it right, it's a game changer. All right, so now that we understand why plastic packaging is such a big deal, let's get into the how. Because behind every bottle, pouch, or shrink wrap you've ever held, there's a full production process happening behind the scenes. A mix of design, engineering, and creative problem solving. Here's how it all comes together. 1. Concept and design. Before anything gets molded or printed, it all starts with a vision. What shape fits the product best? Does it need to be squeezable, shatterproof, or stackable? How does it feel in the hand, and how does it stand out on a shelf? Brands work with designers to sketch out packaging that balances function, form, and identity. And at Paking, we have a full team of experts that bring that vision to life. 2. Material selection. Different products need different plastics, and each one has its perks. PT for that clear, glass-like look. HDPE when strength and durability matters. LDPE for flexibility like squeeze tubes. Something more eco-friendly, go with rPET or bioplastics that break down over time. 3. Molding techniques. This is where things get real. The plastic is heated and shaped into its final form using processes like blow molding for bottles and hollow containers, injection molding for caps, closures, and precision pieces, thermoforming for trays and clamshells, like what your takeout comes in. Each method is chosen based on the product's needs and design. 4. Add some style. Now we get into the fun stuff. This is where the packaging gets its look. Shrink wraps for bold, 360-degree designs. In-mold labeling, IML, fuses the label right into the plastic. Specialty finishes, screen printing, offset printing, hot foil stamping, embossing, debossing. Each one adds a unique finish that can make a product look premium and instantly stand out. 5. Quality, safety, and final touches. Before packaging hits the shelves, it goes through testing, seal integrity, leak checks, tamper-proofing, and more. Brands also add custom closures like pumps, sprays, or flip tops. anything to match the user experience with the product's purpose. This isn't just plastic, it's precision, personality, and performance all wrapped into one. Next up, let's talk about why that level of customization actually matters. By now, you've seen how much goes into creating a single piece of plastic packaging, from design to molding to decoration. But here's the real question: why go through all that effort? Why does customization matter? Because in today's world, packaging isn't just practical. It's emotional, visual, and deeply tied to how customers feel about your brand. Let's break it down. 1. It's your brand's first impression. Before someone even tries your product, they're already making judgments based on how it looks and feels. A sleek, uniquely shaped bottle says premium. A colorful shrink sleeve with bold fonts says fun and youthful. A matte black finish with a gold-stamped logo? Luxury. Customization lets you control the narrative instantly. It's not just packaging, it's storytelling, and you're the writer. 2. It boosts shelf presence and sales. Ever walked down a store aisle and had your eyes pulled toward a certain product? That's no accident. Unique shapes break the visual monotony. Clear PET bottles show off the product inside, building trust. Embossed or textured surfaces beg to be picked up. Customized plastic packaging gets noticed, and products that get noticed get bought. 3. Real-world examples that prove it works. Coca-Cola's contour bottle, one of the most iconic shapes in the world, instantly recognizable by silhouette alone. Fenty Beauty, packaging that's bold, sleek, and gender-neutral, helping redefine inclusivity in beauty. Method cleaning products. Their bottles look good on your counter, on purpose. They built a brand around aesthetics plus sustainability. These brands didn't just do packaging for the sake of getting it done, they made packaging part of the product. 4. It signals quality and care. A custom cap that clicks shut, a tamper-evident seal that reassures you, or a spray nozzle that never clogs, these small things add up. They say, "We thought about this. We care about the experience." When people feel that level of detail, they trust the product and the brand more. Bottom line, customization is more than looks. It's about emotion, trust, and memorability. And in a market flooded with options, those details are what set your product apart. At the end of the day, custom plastic packaging is more than being fancy for the sake of it. It's a strategic advantage. It tells your customers who you are before they even open the product. It protects, it performs, and when done right, it sells. Just look at the brands leading the charge. They don't treat packaging like an afterthought. They use it as a tool to connect with their audience, to stand out, and to build trust with every bottle, pouch, and cap. And that's exactly what we do at Paking Duck. From concept to creation, we take your ideas and turn them into packaging that doesn't just look good, it also works hard for your brand. Whether you need precision-engineered molds, full wrap graphics, or eco-conscious materials, we've got the tools and the team to make it seamless. Because in this game, good packaging doesn't just protect a product, it elevates it. If you're ready to take your packaging to the next level, Paking Duck is here to help. From shrink wraps to custom caps, we turn big ideas into standout packaging. Fast, functional, and unforgettable. Want to learn more before jumping in? Grab our free crash course. A quick guide on everything you need to know about packaging and how we bring it to life. Watch this video to see how we bring our custom paper packaging to life, and click the link below for our free crash course. Let's get started.